Hello ex, it's been a year. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga salitang sinambit mo bago ka tuluyang hindi na nagparamdam. And it goes like this. I want to end this relationship. Hindi na ako masaya sa'yo. Sinabi mo lang naman ng mga katagang yun as an excuse, di ba? Wait, lame excuse. Kasi ang totoo, you were in another relationship while we're still a couple. Kaya kahit masakit sa part ko that time, I tried my best to move on. Kasi hindi naman na worth it na pagpatuloy ang kabaliwan na yun eh. Hindi na worth it na iyakan ng tulad mong hindi marunong makontento. Pero kung may isang bagay na pinagpapasalamat ko ngayon sa'yo, yun ay dahil mas natuto na ako. Mas natutong unahin ang sarili ko kaysa ibang tao. Yun pala dapat ang noon ko pa na-realize para ganun na lang sana kadali nakalimutan ka when you cheated on me. On the other hand, parang blessing in disguise na rin siguro yung nangyari. Because of that painful experience, I was able to push myself to become a better person and to see the people who love me unconditionally aside from my family. Na marami pala talaga silang nagmamahal sa akin ng totoo. Friends who are always there for me to cheer me up. At para ipaintindi sa akin that I deserve someone better. Kaya heto ako ngayon. So tuwing sasagi sa isip ko yung mga nangyari sa atin noon, napapangiti na lang ako at tsaka ako sisigundahan ng mga katagang, am I that stupid? But I know that these words was only a consolation for me. Words that later on, I find it easy to absorb and just ignore it. Lahat naman siguro tayo dumaan sa pagiging baliw sa isang tao, di ba? Yung sumobra yung pagmamahal natin sa taong yun. Kaya pati expectations natin ay sumobra din. Not knowing that person is capable of breaking your heart. Kaya ngayon, maingat na ako. Maingat in a sense na bago pumasok ulit sa isang relasyon, I'll make sure that I know how to limit myself, my feelings, and my treatment towards that person. Ayoko na kasing mapaglaruan ulit. Ayoko nang magmahal ng sobra to the point na halos kalimutan ko na rin kung paano mahalin ang sarili ko. And I want my future partner to be my last because I want a relationship that will last for long. Hindi yung panandalian o lokohan lang. And to my ex, don't worry, matagal na kitang napatawad, matagal na akong naka-move on. At kung dumating man ang araw na magkakadaw upang palad ulit tayo, there is only one thing I want to say. Salamat, because you're one of the reason why I became a better version of myself.